This video is for General McLean School District students, parents, and employees. The purpose of this video is to provide instructions for how to place a meal order in SchoolCafe. SchoolCafe is a software package which will allow you to do many things like add money to an individual's cafeteria account, review menus, and place orders for breakfast and lunch. You can access this system using the SchoolCafe app, which has been loaded on every student's iPad. If you're using a computer and don't have access to the app, you may also access the system using an internet browser such as Chrome, Firefox, Microsoft Edge, Microsoft Explorer, or Safari. To do so, open a browser, type schoolcafe.com in the address bar, and press enter. The SchoolCafe login screen should appear. Enter your username and password. Your username is the email address you used when you created your SchoolCafe account. Click on the green Sign In button to continue. The first screen you'll see when you log in is called the dashboard. You'll notice that the balance available is displayed for each student's account. Please ensure the student has sufficient funds available for the orders you're submitting. We encourage you to add funds to accounts using the SchoolCafe application. The school district will accept cash or checks to add to accounts, but will not have currency or coins available to make change. You may send checks or cash in a sealed envelope to the building's main office. You must write the student's first and last name and cafeteria PIN on the outside of the envelope. You'll notice there's two places on the dashboard where you can start an order. The first place is on the main menu, which is on the left side of the screen. The second place is under a student's picture. Click on either of the two buttons to continue. On this screen, select the date the meal is to be delivered to the student's classroom. You'll be able to place orders several days and possibly several weeks ahead. If you have more than one student linked to your account, you may select the student for whom you are ordering by clicking on the drop-down menu. Then select the meal type by clicking on the box next to either breakfast or lunch. Click on the circle next to the word zone. A list of serving zones will appear. The serving zones are simply teacher classrooms. The meals you order will be delivered to the student's classroom before dismissal time. Click on the circle to the left of the teacher's name. Make sure you select the correct session depending on when the student is attending class in the building. Select the AM session if he or she attends in the morning, or the PM session if he or she attends in the afternoon. Click the green Next button to continue. You'll notice that this screen has the student's name, school building, and any allergens listed at the top of the page. It also has the menu items available for ordering. Some selections will be meals, which themselves contain several items. Other selections will be individual a la carte items. Click on one or more of the blue Add buttons. You'll have a chance to review and change the selections before you place the order. Click Next to review your selections. There's several options available on this screen. You can delete one or more of your selections by clicking on the red X to the right of the selection. You can return to the previous screen by clicking on the Previous button in the lower left-hand corner. You can discard the order and start over by clicking on the Start Over button, or if everything looks good, you can click on the green Place Order button in the lower right-hand corner. If you clicked on the Place Order button, you'll next see a confirmation of the order. The confirmation has all the relevant information, including an order number, which is printed under the barcode. The date printed on the confirmation is the date the order will be delivered to the student's classroom. At this point, you may click on the Start New Order button, the View Orders button, or one of the buttons on the main menu displayed on the left side of the screen. If you choose to start a new order, simply repeat the process described previously to submit as many orders as you like. If at any point you would like to review the orders you have entered, click on the View Orders button on the main menu, which is on the left side of the screen. On this screen, you can choose to view orders for the last 7 days, for today, for the next 7 days, or a custom date range. As an example, we'll click on the next 7 days button and then click on View Orders. Your orders will be displayed on this screen. Click on View Details to review any of the orders. The order details will be displayed on the screen. After you review the order, you can either click on the Cancel Order button or the Close button. I'd like to take a moment to remind you you can do more than place orders on SchoolCafe. For instance, you can apply for free or reduced price meals by clicking the button at the top and center of the screen. You can view menus, including nutritional information, by clicking on the School Menus button in the lower left-hand section. And as mentioned earlier, you can make a payment to your student's account by clicking the button towards the top of the screen. You can also sign up to receive low balance alerts, payment acknowledgments, and other information by email. Feel free to explore the various options available in SchoolCafe. When you're ready to log out, click on the 3 dots in the upper right corner of the screen. Then click on the word Logout to end your session. You're now ready to use the many features SchoolCafe has to offer. Congratulations.